Okay, in this video, we're going to solve this problem right here, and so let's begin. So first, what I'm going to do is actually rewrite what we have. So instead of having this radical form, we could say we have x plus 9, close it, raise it to 1/2, divided by parentheses x minus 9, close it, raise it to 1/2. And in this form, it's going to be easier to use the quotient rule. So let's get started. So the quotient rule is low d high minus high d low, divided by the square root of what's below. So low is our denominator. So we have x minus 9, close it, raise it to 1/2. D high, we take the derivative of our numerator. I'm going to say d parentheses x plus 9, close it, raise it to 1/2. Minus high, so our numerator, parentheses x plus 9, close it, raise it to 1/2. D low, so we take the derivative of our denominator, so d parentheses x minus 9, close it, raise it to 1/2, divided by the square root of what's below. So we take this piece and we square it, which cancels this out, and we get x minus 9. So now let's go ahead and apply the derivative. So we have x minus 9, close it, raise it to 1/2. The derivative of this piece, we bring the 1/2 to the front, so we have 1/2 parentheses x plus 9. We do 1 less, so 1/2 minus 1 is negative 1/2. Then we take the derivative of the inside piece. The derivative of x is 1, and the derivative of 9 is 0. So we get times 1, which doesn't change anything. Minus, now we do this piece. So parentheses x plus 9, close it, raise it to 1/2, times, now this piece, same idea. So we bring the 1/2 to the front, so we have 1/2 parentheses x minus 9, close it, raise it to negative 1/2, and we take the derivative of the inside piece, which is just going to give us 1, so times 1, or just keep it that way, divided by our denominator, which we got x minus 9. And so now we can go ahead and rewrite this and kind of clean it up. So x minus 9 raised to 1/2, we can keep it like in this form right here. So we'll have the square root of x minus 9. Then we're going to multiply this piece by 1, which won't change anything. But we're also going to divide it by 2, and we have a negative exponent, so we can bring it to the denominator, and it's negative 1/2, so that's that square root, and we're going to have x plus 9. Then we're going to deal with this piece here, so minus the square root, we got x plus 9, this piece right here. We're multiplying by 1, so it doesn't change it, and then we're going to divide by 2. And this is raised to negative 1/2, so we can take it to the denominator. So we'll have our square root x minus 9, and the whole thing is being divided by x minus 9. So I brought it to another page so we can continue writing. So what I'm going to do is put a parentheses around this piece and this piece, and we're dividing by x minus 9. You know, that's the same thing as dividing by x minus 9 divided by 1. You know, x minus 9 divided by 1 is the same as x minus 9. And I'm doing this so I can rewrite this. Instead of doing division, we can do multiplication. I'll show you what I mean by that. So we can have our square root of x minus 9 divided by 2, the square root of x plus 9, minus the square root of x plus 9 divided by 2, the square root of x minus 9. And then we can put a parentheses around it, and then we'll multiply by the reciprocal. We'll do 1 divided by x minus 9. And next we can just go ahead and distribute. So we'll get the square root of x minus 9 divided by 2 times the square root of x plus 9 times, our x minus 9, minus the same thing, square root of x plus 9 divided by that piece. So 2 times the square root of x minus 9 times parentheses x minus 9. Close it. So finally we can simplify one more time. So this is the square root of x minus 9. This is just x minus 9. So again, this is like x minus 9 raise it to 1/2, and this is raised to 1. So we can cancel this out, change this 1 into a 1/2. And so what we're going to get is 1 divided by 2, the square root of x plus 9 times the square root of x minus 9. Minus, here we got the square root of x plus 9 divided by, we have x minus 9 raised to 1, x minus 9 raised it to 1/2. So you can say you have 2 times x minus 9 raise it to 3/2. And that's pretty much it for this problem.